We'll start within 2 minutes. Can you hear me? Okay, thank you. Okay, we'll start our discussion on today's topic, that is idea generation sources and methods. Yesterday we have seen related to chapter number 3 some of the part like syllabus. We have seen assignment questions. Then we have seen about title of chapter, about central idea of chapter. Then we have seen importance of chapter. Then we have seen its objective, and we started discussion on idea generation methods and sources. So at the beginning, I taken the point of observation related to source. So now how observation should be there, that discussion we have made, like you people should observe keenly, right? So one of the case study we have seen of Ramdas Ji Mane sir, uh, in his one of the interview on one of the channels, he asked like question like how many opportunities are there for youngsters or potential entrepreneurs. So he started telling, I am sitting in a studio and I am observing in numbers of opportunities here. And he started telling like there are fan, and there are camera, TV, then ceiling, आणि वेगवेगळे उदाहरणं द्यायला चालू केले त्यांनी की सिलिंगच्या पट्ट्या आहेत. सो एंटरप्रेन्युअर्स शुड लुक लाईक दॅट. So that is the actual observation. Means, yeah, he sat in one of the news channel studio and he started observing the opportunities. So that kind of observation should be there everywhere. You should always observe whether is it my opportunity and start evaluating it, right? And that kind of observation is expected, and this is one of the important source. So other than there are so many sources, let us discuss. Another source is there, that is market characteristic. What is the meaning of market characteristic? Market characteristics, basically there are two market characteristics. First characteristic is maybe you can say demand, and another one is supply. So मागणी आणि पुरवठा, generally we call it in Marathi, right? So demand and supply is very important source for you people. Try to understand, if there is a demand, then you should choose that particular option. If there is a demand, then you should choose that particular option. Why? Because there are chances to sell your product if demand is there. Getting? So whenever you are choosing your opportunity, so try to understand whether there is a demand for that product or not. And that demand should not be like time being. Like for example, you want to start a sanitizer production. So but these are the time being production, right? And already existing entrepreneurs started producing such kind of product. But if you look like for 1 year I will produce that product, and later on what will happen? So yes, you have to understand lifelong demand of that particular product, right? And another one is that you have to understand the another characteristic, that is supply. Whether supply is there, ample supply is there in market or not. Yes, demand is there, but if you started understanding like there is ample amount of supply is happening in a market, so then again there will be the problem. So try to understand whether there is a demand and appropriate supply. If demand is there, definitely you should proceed, and for that purpose you should go for the market survey. Without market survey you cannot understand what is demand and what is supply. So actually in market you need to go, you have to make survey, you have to understand whether people are demanding this product and whether people are able to supply. If supply demand is there, supply is not there, then definitely it's your opportunity. So let us take example, for example, fast food. You are knowing like in last decade many people demanded the fast food, right? Homemade product, but now people are health conscious, right? People are health conscious and they are thinking like fast foods are not good for us. So that demand of that particular product is reduced nowadays. Obviously many people are demanding it, but the comparatively the demand is less compared to last decade, because people become health conscious. They think like if I make order of some of the fast food product or ready-made products, my health may damage and there may be the issues, and people started consuming such kind of product comparatively less. Another example may be greeting cards. You may be knowing in last decade when mobiles were not there. So usually people give the greeting cards like Diwali occasion greeting card, birthday greeting card. But you will observe rarely such kind of product nowadays, right? So demand is drastically reduced because we people are sending the greeting cards on mobile, right? So there is very less demand nowadays for this such kind of product, but earlier it was there, right? In last decade there was huge demand for such kind of product. Even carry bags we have seen in last 2 years, right? Carry bag demand reduced drastically, right, due to government ban, and those who are producing they need to change. Now people started using the cloth bags, paper bags, right? So comparatively demand is reduced. So try to understand such kind of product where there is a demand and where it is. Now for which product there is a huge demand, you can say like currently if you see like for sanitizer stand, mask, gloves, huge demand is there, right? Even in a medical field, we were not importing much more ventilators, but now it is required. Getting so where we started importing and even we started producing our in-house ventilators also. So try to understand this demand and supply is varying. So market characteristics, if you understand, then this will be your source of idea generation. Getting so now many people, especially you can see everybody understood like we have banned many more Chinese products. Now there is a very less demand. People stopped if there is no alternative for a certain thing, people are still accepting Chinese product. And we should if there is no supply from other countries, then we have to depend on the Chinese product. But now try to understand people reduce their demand of Chinese product. Now this is your opportunity. This is, you understood this market characteristic. Now this is your opportunity, this is your source. Now biomedical applications we are importing from China. Getting so now you should think like how I can take this market characteristic for idea generation. So I hope you understood like in market characteristics, you try to understand demand and supply of that product. I have given certain examples. So whether you found like one small question to you, have you observed such kind of product like earlier there was huge demand, but now drastically it is reduced. Nobody is demanding it. Is there such a anything you observed in market? You can answer in chat box. Like greeting card, fast food. Now there is a huge demand for 3D printing in industry. Earlier it was not there, right? So like that, whether you observed such kind of example, huge demand was there earlier, and now there is no demand, or less demand is there. Take 1 minute and put your answer in chat box. Yes, button mobiles. Now everywhere touch screens are there. Now nobody is demanding button screen, button mobile, right? Everybody is demanding touch screen. Very good. Now it is reduced. So manufacture, there is no point in manufacturing such kind of keyboards for mobile, right? Nobody is using it. How to produce? But earlier there were producers of touch this button mobile. They were producing the buttons with the help of some plastic material. Computers. Earlier, I guess, means now there is a huge demand, right? Or less demand. What do you want to say? Swami Samarth, you can elaborate. Less demand. Oh, yes. Okay. So you meant to say like this desktop screens, CPU at separate sides, screen, keyboard. Now everything is in one notepad, right? You can even keyboard is also there, screen is also there, processor is inside. Yes, comparatively, nowadays laptop people are demanding. Yes, exactly. Now people focus, the producers focus on laptops, tabs, mobile. So that's why that desktop screens production reduced. Okay, correct. Anything else? Anybody? Very good. Anybody else? LCD, LED instead of TV. Okay, TVs were sizes of TVs were big earlier. Now production stopped and people started using LCD screens, TVs, right? Yes, very good, Rahul. Then who is there? Antenna reduce dish TV's demand. Yes, antenna. Nobody is using now antenna. Older aluminum antennas. Now dish TVs are there. Very good. Radio. Very good. Now, if you understand such kind of market characteristic, definitely you will generate appropriate idea. You understood now there is no demand, so where is the question of production of it? Yes, if you want to make some changes in it and if you make innovative something inside it and if you reproduce it, no issue. But innovative thing should be there, people should accept it. Yes, Manasi, correct. Radio, Sachin. Lathe is replaced by CNC, very good. In industry, people started producing using CNC and PMCs. Here is the question of conventional lathe. Yes, they just make invention in conventional lathe and they produced the CNC with the help of computer. That's it. Yes, earlier mechanism is there, earlier product is there. Getting very good, Sachin. Anybody else? Earlier demand was there and now no demand is there, or certain changes are there in product. Very good. I hope you understood market characteristics. And see, friends, continuously we are the part of market and we are doing market survey. Many people think like market survey means I need to take pen, paper, I need to prepare the questionnaire, and then I have to go to market, I have to meet the people. It is not like that, right? We always the part of market and we know situations, right? So continuously through observation, we are doing the market survey. Getting. So another who is telling, Mudassar is telling software updated timely to be in demand. Okay, earlier languages, right? So now in market there are new languages for software development. Earlier languages people not using, right? So this is the one thing. Then people started responding very nicely. I appreciate it. Akash Wilson is telling manual inspection is replaced by CMM, coordinate measuring machine. Very good, Akash. Earlier there were vernier caliper, scales, and you can say various devices like micrometer, and now CMM is there. Right, there is less demand. Now people should focus their on CMM. Why to produce conventional devices, right? So you understood the market survey. Then 3G to 4G, 4G to 5G. Very good, Vaibhav. Then Sheikh Junud Sheikh. What is your name? Okay, I found this name new. Wireless earphones. Yes, exactly. Okay, Sheikh, you mentioned very nice point. People started using wireless earphones. Now people stopped production comparatively. They are focusing as demand is there, so they should focus there. Very good. You are doing market survey. Very good. Gaurav Tulzarpur, automation replaced human labor with machine. Yes, automation came in. So everybody started implementing automation. Very good. Very good. And one more thing, appreciable thing today, like 100 people are attending lecture. I liked this first time, and people started responding very nicely. Very good. 100 students are listening to me. Very good, appreciable. So friends, those who are new today, I guess around 20 students are new in class. So I request you can observe or you can go through our study material, which is there in a Excel sheet, which has been sent by your CC on your email. 101 students are attending. Very good. So 2 chapters we have completed. 50% syllabus is completed. I request you people to go through that study material. There are already recorded videos. We had very interesting discussion on various topics. We have enjoyed various videos also. That video is also there in that recording. So please go through it. That was my message. 102 students. Okay, we'll proceed to next point. So friends, another source I want to tell, that is conversion of waste into wealth. Conversion of waste into wealth. सो आपण काय म्हणतो, टाकावातून टिकाऊ वगैरे तुम्ही ऐकून असाल. सो दिस इज अ मिनिंग ऑफ वेस्ट इन टू वेल्थ. टाकाऊमधून टिकाऊ पदार्थ बनवणे, प्रोडक्ट बनवणे. सो फ्रेंड्स, स्पेशली यू कॅन ऑब्झर्व लाईक फार्मर वेस्ट. Earlier you can see like farmer waste is almost people are burning in their farm, but you can nowadays you can understand people are sending their farm waste to various industries, maybe for bagasse preparation, maybe for various fertilizer production, maybe for manure, right? So these are the examples. Actually there are huge amount of waste is there in market or in society. You can convert it into wealth, or you can convert it into one product. People think like this is a waste. Even you can see now we are throwing plastic outside, but many people think like this is my wealth. I can convert that plastic, I can make treatment on that plastic, and I can recycle it, and I can produce some products. So this is one source for idea generation, friend. Very interesting thing. Even you can see like tire remolding. Some people given their idea like tire remolding is one of the option for idea generation. They mentioned very nicely, and I have gone through that idea submission Google form. So tire remolding is the one of the option told. See, a huge amount of tires after certain kilometers, you need to replace your tires of vehicle. Let it be two-wheeler, four-wheeler, or big heavy vehicles. What people are doing with that tires? Obviously they are going through or they are replacing, they are making process on it, and they are preparing new tires, or they are preparing another products out of it. So friends, in market, even in we generally, especially our papers, notebooks, people are purchasing from us, right? 10 rupees kg, 20 rupees kg. We are selling. These people are converting into another products, right? Even paper raddis are there, right? आपल्याकडे पेपरची रद्दी प्रत्येक महिन्याला लोक घेऊन जातात. काही रुपयामध्ये. तर ते त्यांचं वेस्ट, त्यांच्या आपल्या दृष्टीने ते वेस्ट आहे, बट त्यांच्या दृष्टीने जे घेऊन जातात त्यांच्या दृष्टीने ते संपत्ती आहे. हाऊ? बिकॉज दे आर कन्व्हर्टिंग दॅट पेपर इनटू सम ऑफ द प्रोडक्ट्स. गेटिंग? सो दिस इज द वन थिंग. Then another thing is that even you can see like fertilizers. कितीतरी फार्म वेस्ट हे फर्टिलायझर किंवा गुरांच्या चाऱ्यासाठी. तुम्ही जर गावाकडची मका वगैरे बघितली तर बरेचसे लोक अशी मका त्या गोळी पेंडवाल्यांना देतात. स्पेशली वी हॅव सीन रामदासजी, वन ऑफ द केस स्टडी ऑफ दशरथजी माने, राईट, ऑफ सोनाई डेअरी. तर ते त्यांच्याकडं जे काय गोळी पेंड बनवतात त्यासाठी ते मका फार्मर्स कोण घेतात. कुठली मका? पाला, जो पाला असतो मकेला, तर तो पाला ते गोळी पेंड बनवण्यासाठी विकत घ्यायला लागलेले. सो मीन्स समटाइम फार्मर्स से लाइक इट इज अ वेस्ट, बट पीपल आर using it as a wealth. Even you can see in composite field, composite now there is a huge research going on in composite, especially natural composite. For your information, farm wastes are having good kind of composites. Every farm product is having fibers inside it. You can see banana fibers. Banana tree is having huge amount of fibers inside it. People started extracting such kind of fibers and they started producing good kind of products. तुम्ही बघितले असेल की केळीच्या पानांपासून प्लेट्स पण बनवत आहेत, राईट. लोकांच्या शेतकऱ्याच्या दृष्टीने ते वेस्ट आहे, पण ज्याला ती प्लेट बनवायची त्याच्यापासून जेवणाची नॅचरल प्लेट, तुम्ही पाहिले असतील व्हिडिओ, यू कॅन सी लाईक नॅचरल प्लेट्स फ्रॉम दी बनाना fibers. So good kind of videos are there. So especially in South, people are producing such kind of plates, eating plates through such kind of banana fibers. तर कन्व्हर्जन ऑफ वेस्ट इन टू वेल्थ म्हणजे जे काय टाकाऊ पासून टिकाऊ प्रोडक्ट बनवायचा आहे किंवा एक ज्यांनी टाकून दिले त्याच्यावर आपण प्रोसेस करायचे आणि प्रोडक्ट बनवायचे, तर तो एक सोर्स आहे तुमच्यासाठी आयडिया जनरेशनला. आणि हा खूप स्वस्तातला ऑप्शन आहे. जनरली आय टेल इट इज अ व्हेरी cheaper option because almost waste, it means it is a low cost raw material for you, right? So waste means low cost raw material which is readily available in market. Ample amount of wastes are there. Even you can remember, you can consider like we are throwing a huge amount of you can say garbage outside the home, and people are collecting it. Why you are not thinking to collect by yourself and produce some of the biogas kind of thing? Suppose you are staying in one village, you collect all gobar from your whole village, collect at one place and prepare biogas plants and provide biogas to all your village. People will be happy, like just they are giving you gobar. You just have to convert through your creativity into biogas. You have to supply same biogas to them. Definitely you have to charge them, and at the end you can whatever things are coming outside your biogas plant, you can give them as a manure and they can put in their farm. What is a great idea, like converting waste into wealth? It is very nice idea. So just I am telling waste into wealth. There are n numbers of waste there are in market. You can think over it. Getting? So even you can see like in Konkan area, they are producing oil from their you can say like rice bran, गव्हाचा तांदूळाचा कोंडा म्हणतो ना आपण, तांदूळाचा कोंडा. So people are producing oil through it. See, so that Konkan farmers generally are throwing that brains outside, that rice bran. But you have to think like this is my opportunity. I can produce oil through it. So this is very interesting thing. Always this option is better. I want to tell reason only is one: raw material is available readily and with low cost. Definitely your product will be low cost and people will accept it. So there are n numbers of options are there. I have given many options. Just friend, I want to ask whether you have seen such kind of waste in market. Whether you have seen like this is a waste and I can convert it into wealth. I have given n numbers of example. So whether you have seen like that. Take 1 minute and tell me. Anybody else? Not able to think? I have given so many examples like farm waste is there, gobar is there, right? Garbage is there. Tire remolding option. Okay, e-waste. Yes, very interesting thing, Swami Samarth. E-waste. You mean to say like we are developing many or you are using many devices, digital devices, right? So after certain time you need to recycle it, right? If you throw in environment, quite difficult. Very interesting option. The e-waste is one of the aspect, and there you can think. Very good. Or you want to elaborate something, Swami Samarth, related to e-waste? This is a very important source, friend. Very important source of idea generation, because within less cost you can produce a good kind of product. So mobile batteries, yes, exactly, mobile batteries, all kind of batteries need to be replaced or recycled. Very good option. So this is also waste, and if you recycle it or if you produce something out of it, definitely this is your source of idea generation. You can think over it. This is a very important source of idea generation. Very interesting thing Ram is telling. Plastic recycle. Yes, very good. Plastic recycle, thermosetting and thermoplastic. You need to think, Ram, if you are thinking to convert something plastic. So thermosetting, thermoplastic, consider such kind of technical aspect and produce such kind of thing. Recycle it and produce some plastic products out of it. Very good. Gaurav is telling decorative items from waste. Very good. Decorative items also you can produce. Very good. So can you elaborate one of the option, like, sir, this is the waste and in home we can use it as a decorative items. Waste metal remolding, like metal scrap. Very good. So especially in industries, mechanical industries, after machining, you can observe huge amount of waste scrap is there. So you can collect those scraps and you can produce some of the products. Very good. People started telling like flower pot from plastic bottle. Very good. Yes, a huge amount of water bottles we are throwing in a society. So why you are not thinking to produce the flower pots through it? Possible, right? If you make decorative thing, Gaurav, very interesting thing. So it is expected, right? And with almost zero cost, you can produce the flower pot. And even if you sell for the 5 rupees, people will accept it, right? Very good. Then recycling of medical waste. Yes, recycling of medical waste, maybe syringes are there, right? Or saline bottles are there, saline pipes are there. Very good. Then Swami Samartha, bottles are used for decorating. Yes, very good. Anybody else? N numbers of waste. Just find out waste. आपण तो बघत नाही. जसं की we have seen one of the case study of this BVG. How he observed, like he observed dirtiness and he think like I will start cleanliness contract, cleaning contracts, and later on he decided. So even waste, actually we neglect the waste because we think like it is a not a good thing, right? It is a waste. Waste means we neglect the things, but don't think waste as a useless thing. Waste is also can be converted into some of the products. And again, remember why I'm telling you wastes are important, because waste is raw material, cheaply available, and huge amount of number is there. That's why. Very good. Recycling medical waste, then bottle. Madhusar Bhagwan, use sand for making decorative and other item. It is also eco-friendly. Okay, very good. So sand, but okay, which kind of sand I don't know, but sand cannot be waste. It is usable thing, right? But I think if you have something in your mind, you can elaborate once again. Decorative material made from ice cream sticks. Okay, so ice cream sticks, but you need to collect that ice cream sticks. Already ice cream stick is a product which is used for the ice cream. Okay, but you can think, okay, this is, so you can consider it as a waste for you. Shirts from plastic. Okay, very interesting idea. Shirts from plastic. Yes, think for thermosetting thermoplastic aspects of that particular plastic and then decide. Yes, possible, right? Kind of raincoats, you can say. Shirts from plastic means a raincoat kind of thing. Very good if it is possible, because whatever raincoats, even that kids were developing, or doctors nowadays, PPE kit, almost plastic material sometime. So think over it. So plastic can be converted to solid parts that we are doing, but it is Gaurav, it is innovative idea, like for converting the like plastic to raincoats and plastic shirts. Yes, possible. And if you give aesthetic look, people may demand it like t-shirt, right? So it may become fashion also. In you can take cold days, people may use it. Very interesting thing. Abhishek Shirsagar, waste flowers used for making rangoli. Okay, waste flowers for making rangoli. Yes, good. Waste flowers, especially near to Vital Mandir, we observe tons of flowers, especially every holy places. People are using flowers, and after certain time, they are throwing outside. So okay, so it may be garbage for others, but you may think like preparing rangoli or producing color through it. Very good. Broken glasses, Bhushan Kumar, broken glasses. Yes, broken glasses, a huge number of broken glasses you will observe, because glass is a brittle material, and there may be always chances of breaking it. An ample amount of glasses you will observe, and even some of the glass product producing industry, they have waste near to them. So you can collect such a kind of waste, and you can think over that glass, what processes you can do, how products can be prepared, small kitchens you can prepare, produce through such kind of waste, right? So it is possible, right? Very interesting ideas you have told to us, and good discussion. I hope you understood, like, and you think for that converting waste into wealth. And again, I am telling to you that this is a very good option for you, as raw material is available in ample amount with low cost. That's why your cost of product will be very less, and you can start producing such a product. Then Yogesh Raut, recycling of trash. I haven't understood this. Can you elaborate, Yogesh? Put one more sentence. Yogesh, I did not understand what you are telling related to trash. नारळाची केसर आणि केळीच्या खोडापासून कंपोजिट मटेरियल. व्हेरी गुड. As I have told already, in South India, people are producing plates through such kind of banana fiber, even banana leaves also, right? So banana, an ample amount of, especially in Pandharpur, Solapur zone, you can observe ample amount of banana trees and farms. So you can think over it. And machines are ready, friends. It is a very important thing, like machines are available, and nowadays there is a ban on that fiber plates, right? So you can think over it. Yes, good thing. And raw material is available, ample amount of raw material available in local area. If you are from Solapur, ample amount of raw material is available, and everywhere, in especially in Maharashtra, you will get such kind of raw material. and such a raw material farmers are throwing near to in farm, and they are burning after a few days, right? So just they are thinking it is a waste for me. Okay, very interesting idea, Shubham. Okay, so I hope you understood like how to convert. Every idea is important. Everybody contributed very nice idea. I appreciate it. Okay, the next one is that adoption of technology. Adoption of technology is the one option available for you. Adoption of technology, friends, just one example I want to give. In our college we are doing various projects, and you are looking like this is project academic submission, and you keep, we especially we people keep your project somewhere else in one of the corner, one of the room. As project is completed, report is completed. But see, four people worked on it. They have invested their money, they have invested their time, and they done something creative. But these four people may not become interested in it. But already developed, already successful project at laboratory level, it is there. But nobody looking at it as a source for idea generation. Even we people never think. Especially remember friends, in IITs, in NITs, people, students are doing very innovative products, but they are interested to do work in some of the good organization, reputed organization, and they forget about their project. And nobody look at like this is a developed technology. This is already successful project at laboratory level. Can I commercialize it? People never think. So friends, already technology is there. Just you have to adapt it. Already successful people, successful projects are there at laboratory level. Don't neglect such a kind of projects. All right, so even you can especially in NITs and IITs, people keep their project on website, like this is innovative project done, this is that. Even you can visit such kind of organization. You can consider like BRC is there. BRC, you are knowing, in Mumbai it is there Bioinformatics Research Center. So they are also doing various research, but they are not able to commercialize. They may think like this is not required, but it may required in our particular zone. Why you are not looking it as an idea, and why you are not looking it as a source for you? It is possible. Many technical organizations have done very nice research, but it is successful at laboratory level, and it is in laboratory only. People are not thinking like readily everything is done, right? Many machineries people may have used, they have wasted money, material, time, everything, right? So why you are not using such a readily available technology? Just adopt the existing technology which is available in laboratory. Getting? So you can visit such a kind of organizations. Even you can just visit their websites. You will get ample information. Getting? So in our college also, RHRDF, I don't know how many of you have seen that thing. Already many projects we have developed there. Solar dryers are there. Why you are not thinking like I will make commercialization of it? Already developed product is there, developed research is there. Just go through it. And even another thing is that many people have filed their patents to Indian government, right? Do you know this IP India website is there? IP India, www.ipindia.com. In government of India, there is a patent website. Why you are not thinking like already outdated patents I will search and I will produce? Patent means definitely that person may have gone through it technically, he has done research, he has spent time. So already developed product, products are there. Why you are not thinking to produce such kind of product? Means already technology is there, people have worked on it, just you have to adapt it. Obviously sometime if patent is not date is valid, patents are there, they may ask money for you. But outdated patents, 20 years patent lifespan is there for your information. You search at 20 years before patents, obviously that readily documents are available on website. So you can go through it and adopt the already existing technology. This is source of idea generation, and many well-known successful entrepreneur follow this path. They never, even you can see many people are illiterate, people have their own good organizations. Getting? So I want to say in short, like already existing technology, just adopt it. it is a source available for you. Then another one is that socio-economic change. सोशिओ-इकॉनॉमिक चेंज थोडक्यात सांगायचं सोशिओ-इकॉनॉमिक चेंज म्हणजे काय की थोडक्यात सांगायचं झालं तर समाजामध्ये इकॉनॉमिक बदल होतो. फॉर एक्झाम्पल, सपोज देर इज अ वन हायवे गोइंग फ्रॉम युअर विलेज, and definitely people will get huge money, right? And people living style will increase, and people will have money in their hand. In such area, if you start producing or selling the products, people will accept it. Means you have to understand socio-economic changes happen because people are having money in their hand. So this is a socio-economic change, especially metro cities, right? So the development is going on, so you have to understand socio-economic changes happening in this particular area. Suppose there is IT hub in this particular zone. In suppose let us consider in Solapur area there is IT hub. Just a minute. In Solapur zone, if there is a IT hub, then that socio-economic change will happen because huge amount of people will come, their salary is also huge, and people may have money. Then that time you can understand socio-economic changes happen here. People can purchase my product. Which kind of product? Suppose in your village, small village is there around 1,000 population. Can you think like branded products will be sold in that particular zone? Branded soaps, branded t-shirts, branded things, right? Beauty parlor related products. Can you think? Because socio-economic changes not happen in that area. So socio-economic changes where happen, that is your source. जिथं तो चेंज झालाय सोशिओ इकॉनॉमिक, तो तुमचा सोर्स असेल आयडिया जनरेशनचा. If there is IT hub, you can produce malls also, right? Can you produce a very big mall in your village? No, socio-economic change is not happen there, but already in metro city it is there. So try to understand socio-economic change is the one of the source for you people. Getting? So socio-economic changes, wherever there are socio-economic changes, you have to understand this is my option. This is my one source, and there you can think to produce some of the products or selling that product. Getting? So try to understand socio-economic change म्हणजे काय, समाजामधील आर्थिक बदल, तो हे तुमचा सोर्स आहे. Then trade fairs. Do you know trade fairs means what? आपण बघतो थोडस कृषी प्रदर्शन, राईट? कृषी प्रदर्शन किंवा आपल्या MBA डिपार्टमेंट वगैरे असे वेगवेगळे फंक्शन्स अरेंज करतात. तुम्हाला आठवतं MBA डिपार्टमेंटने एक फंक्शन केलं होतं जसं कृषी प्रदर्शन सारखं, ॲग्रो चॅलेंज. एनीबडी रिमेंबर्ड? MBA डिपार्टमेंट हॅज डन व्हेरी नाईस trade expo. Okay, I understood. So trade expo, they just given the name, right? Trade expo. Friends, this is your one important source. Visit such a places, Krushi Pradarshan, such a kind of trade fairs, such a kind of trade expos, and visit there because you will find out various ideas. Because people will present their ideas. They may have their own product for production for selling there. So trade fairs is one of the important source available for you. Getting? So trade fairs, try to visit whenever actually especially Krushi Pradarshan, especially in Maharashtra, everywhere, every time it is there, every year. I don't know this year it will be there or not, but try to visit such a places. There you will get agriculture related products, agriculture related processes, animal related things. So huge amount of ideas you can develop through such kind of trade fairs. Then trade and professional journals. Trade and professional journals. Friends, especially in our college there is one magazine, Udyojak, Marathi madla hai magazine. So like that there are n numbers of even nowadays also digital or soft copy journals are also available. Just you have to pay for that. In our library, I don't know how many of you have visited or that read that particular book called Udyojak. So such a booklets try to read, because many people may express their views, they may express their ideas there. Through that, you will generate your idea, and this is a very important source of idea generation, because readily written information of well-known people is collected at one place. Getting? So this is very important thing. Try to read such a kind of professional journals already available in market. In numbers of English professional journals are available, Marathi, Hindi, right? So already in library there are number of but we have subscribed I think 2-3, but you also can go through such kind of journal. Even in newspaper also small booklets are coming, right? This is also you can consider as a magazine journal. And lastly, another source is that publication of government department. Publications of government department. Friends, for your information, there are so many reports government is publicating, or you can say having publication every year, annually, biannually. So friends, go through it. So just I want to show one demonstration of one website. MSME, do you know MSME, one of the website? Just go see carefully. Just I want to show MSME. So friends, time being, I will request you people to put your roll number. A division student will put your roll number in a chat box. Only A division. B division actually in between don't put. Let A division will complete and then B division can start putting. So time being, I want to show one website demonstration. Here you will get professional journals, magazines, or you can say government publications specially. So that I want to show. So A division, Jivraj, welcome. So A77, first lecture, I guess. Dayanand, put number once only. Yesterday you have kept thrice. I don't know why. Okay, A division completed. Please B division, put your numbers. Okay, if you have completed, please focus here. In Google, you can just put MSME. MSME. If you put MSME in Google, you can see one website, msme.gov.in. Let people first complete putting roll numbers, then we'll proceed. B division people are putting their number. I don't know why A division person kept number. Ingre, Pratik Ingre. Okay, I hope everybody mentioned their number in chat box. Please listen carefully this demonstration. MSME. So if you click here on msme.gov.in, then you can Government of India's one page. So what is the meaning of MSME? MSME stands for micro, small, medium enterprises. So in short, people say like MSME. सो दिस इज स्पेशली हिंदीमध्ये म्हणू शकतो सूक्ष्म लघु और मध्यम उद्यम मंत्रालय. हे मिनिस्ट्री आहे ऍक्च्युली गव्हर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडियाची मिनिस्ट्री आहे जे मायक्रो स्केल, स्मॉल स्केल, मीडियम स्केल ऑर्गनायझेशनच्या रिलेटेड आहे आणि ते सगळे गोष्टी कंट्रोल करतात आणि त्यांना लागणारा सपोर्ट देतात. इन शॉर्ट आय वॉन्ट टू टेल. सो सी इफ यू वॉन्ट टू सी द डॉक्युमेंट रिलेटेड टू MSME, आपण म्हणतो की छोटे उद्योग नाही का, कुटीर उद्योग, मध्यम उद्योग, असे उद्योगांचे रिलेटेड डॉक्युमेंट इथं भरपूर काही टॅब्स आहेत. जस्ट यू कॅन गो थ्रू इट लेटर ऑन, बट आय वॉन्ट टू शो वन थिंग दॅट इज डॉक्युमेंट्स. And in documents, you can see variety of document like IT initiative, citizen charter, but here you can click that reports and publication. I don't know why it is. Just minimize it. Just a minute. And document. Why it is not showing? I don't know. Just a minute. It is expected to minimize, but okay. Document, and in document you can see reports and publication. Reports and publication. If you click here, then you can see various reports and publication, right? So in the month of March, they have updated one document like success stories. Now this is a very innovative document. They put various things in this particular reports and publication. So let us consider success stories, especially those people become a successful in a previous year. Their data is available. For example, if I click on that download document, so PDF, it is already available in PDF format. So in this particular report, they have mentioned 100 successful women entrepreneurs in MSME. छोट्या मध्यम उद्योगामधले जे काही वुमन एंटरप्रेनर्स आहेत, गर्ल स्टुडंट्स कॅन फोकस हिअर. सो 100 successful stories they have quoted here. So government prepare various reports. So one of the sample I am telling. So you keep on visiting such a website, there you will get ample amount of reports. So just around 150 page report is there. Just you can go through the names, right? So they have kept the name Neha Arora, Nidhi Singh, Anupur Agarwal, then Pooja Doshi. Like there are so many names, and their stories, short stories, that what they are doing actually, their stories they have mentioned here. You can go through it. Like for example, so let us see. Who is she? Amita Deshpande. Okay, founder and director, Arohana Eco Social Development Private Limited. She is from Pune, Maharashtra. Her email ID, website of that organization is already there, right? So they have in this way. So their photo, what they are actually doing, what are their challenges. So like that, 100 women entrepreneurs information government has published on website, obviously by taking consent from them. So they are not big entrepreneurs. So, but still, government has taken note of them. Getting so page is very big one. So please go through it if you have interest. What they actually produce. See, 100 ideas you will go through, get through such kind of reports. Right? They are doing something innovative. That's why government has taken note of it. So why you are not thinking to become like them? You take that idea and make some changes in that. Don't become competitor to them. And it is quite difficult because they are already existing entrepreneur. Why you are becoming competitive? You make something innovative in their product, and you can start producing same thing, a similar thing, not same thing. So you can see report is downloading. Meeta Mehra, founder, Divine Chocolate Factory. See, she is having chocolate factory. Meeta, from where she is? From Punjab, Amritsar. Getting so like that, all information you will get. Around 100 women entrepreneurs information is available. So this was the one thing from this website. So this is one report. Then another thing is there, annual report of. I don't know why people left. Lecture is still going on. I have not taken Excel sheet for newcomers. they may not be knowing like Excel sheet attendance is also there, right? So Google is making track, just putting the roll number and exiting is not the proper way, right? Still 2 minutes are there. Okay, so annual report of the Ministry of MSME, annual report of MSME. So if you click here, then you will get annual report of MSME. So annual report of 2018, then annual report of 1718. So if you just click on, suppose I will click on this report. So this is annual report of 2018-19. I don't know why they have not recently updated, but just understand. So they have mentioned all information related to their last year report, like how many product, recent policy initiatives, recent policies initiative. So whatever recent policy initiative that MSME has taken, all initiatives you will understand here. And if you understand recent policies, it is expected as an entrepreneur, if you know, if you are knowing the recent policies, then definitely it is welcome for you. Okay, so with this, for today's lecture, for various sources, I have tried to tell various sources. It is expected you people should send me the idea generation report through Google Form. Already I have sent Google Form to you. Please generate your idea. If you are not prepared yet, send it, and please take it seriously and take the benefit through it. Okay, so with this, we'll stop here. I have taken Excel sheet attendance also. You can quit the meeting.